How to delete Instagram account. Hello my friend, in this video I will show you how to delete an Instagram account permanently. But you have to know, when you delete your account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. So, to permanently delete your account from Instagram Account Center, here are the steps. Open Instagram app. Click Profile in the bottom right. Click Menu in the top right. Go to Settings and Privacy. Click Account Center. Scroll to Account Settings and choose Personal Details. Click Account Ownership and Control. Click Deactivation or Deletion. Click the account that you'd like to permanently delete. For example, I choose IG Football account. Click Delete Account and then click Continue. If you click Continue, after 30 days of your account deletion request, your account and all your information will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to retrieve your information. And that's the tutorial. Hopefully it works for you. So don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next videos. Have a nice day.